Hey, welcome back to Homegrown Country Home Place, friends. How y'all doing today? Well, y'all, I just got through planting me a spot right here, and this is my second recording. I thought I had on video, and I had it actually on a picture frame, so I just snapped a picture. I'm gonna hit the button, but I'm right here close to my house. You can see behind me here, I just dug up this little small place, maybe about 10 feet long, but maybe 2.5 feet wide, maybe. And it's right here close to my house, and I've just planted me some summer squash, just some crooked neck yellow squash, and I'm just going to see how it does. I haven't ever planted squash, or as far as that goes, never really planted anything during the summer months, so it's going to be my first year giving it a try, planting in the summertime. I normally plant in the spring and the, let's say, the fall, so I'm not really used to planting anything in the summer months, so this year we're giving it a try and see how it does. And if y'all planted in the summertime and had good luck with it, just leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you planted, maybe where you live and everything. I live in North Mississippi, and it's pretty hot during the summer months, so it's one of them things that, you know, I normally don't do, never tried before, but this time I'm gonna give it a try. And down my other garden down there, y'all be seeing me plant, and hopefully I won't have to do a retake on the video like I am this one, but I'm gonna give you a real quick explanation there, you know, tell you exactly what I did. I normally plant my yellow squash in mounds, take my hoe and just hold it up in the mound and plant like 3 to 4, 5 seeds up in the top of my mound there. But this time what I did, I just tillered it up, then I put me a dug me a row right through the center of it and put my fertilizer down in there, and I covered it back over, and then I went maybe every 6 inches, dropped my seeds, pushed my seeds down into the soil, and then I came in behind it there with another seeds in behind that there, and then when they come up, see how they do, I'll just stand them out there. But hopefully it'll give me some squash later in the summer, maybe early fall there. We'll see how it does there. And like I say, this is gonna be the first time doing this, so there ain't no guarantee it's gonna work or not, but I just want to bring y'all along, showing a little bit of what I'm doing here during the summer here on our home place here. And I appreciate y'all watching the videos, and friends, as always, for my family years, y'all have a blessed day. We'll see you later. Bye bye.